You don't need to learn AI. You need to learn how to use it differently than everyone else. Right now, thousands of people are trying to build AI tools, train models, and write code, and they're all making the same mistake, working harder than they need to. You've probably seen it. Guy on YouTube says make $300 a day with AI. You try it, you open ChatGPT, you stare at the blank screen, then nothing happens. The problem isn't you. The problem is that everyone's teaching you what AI can do. Nobody's teaching you the actual business model underneath it. But there's one model that makes this almost embarrassingly simple, and it requires zero code. After studying how the top faceless AI channels actually make money, not what they say they make, but how the money actually moves, I found a pattern that almost nobody talks about. It's not about going viral, it's not about followers, it's about building a simple pipeline that runs while you sleep. Here's the framework. Point 1. The middleman model. You don't create AI, you connect AI to a problem people already pay to solve. Think of yourself as a translator between what AI can do and what a small business desperately needs. Example, a local dentist needs appointment reminders, review responses, and social posts written every week. They don't want to learn ChatGPT. You charge $300 a month to do it for them using 20 minutes of prompting. That's the model. Stop trying to build the product. Be the person who delivers the result. Point 2. The one-page AI stack. You only need 3 free tools: ChatGPT for output, Canva AI for visuals, Notion for delivery. That's your entire business right there. No code, no subscriptions, no tech degree. A 19-year-old in the Philippines built a $1,200 a month retainer business doing exactly this, writing weekly email newsletters for e-commerce brands using nothing but these 3 tools and a Google Doc template. Point 3. The niche gravity trick. Most beginners try to serve everyone. That's why they get no one. The shortcut? Pick the most boring, overlooked niche you can think of. Plumbers, accountants, pet groomers. They're drowning in work, underpaid on content, and will pay almost anyone who shows up with a solution. Boring niches equals less competition, desperate buyers, and higher conversion. The AI does the creative heavy lifting. You just aim it at the right target. Point 4. The clip-to-cash channel play. Here's the faceless channel angle nobody explains properly. You're not just making videos to get views, you're using the channel as a proof of concept showcase. Every video is a demo of your service. Your audience are your future clients, not just viewers. When someone watches your video on AI captions for restaurants and you made those captions in the video, they're already sold before they DM you. Your channel isn't a hobby, it's your portfolio, your sales funnel, your 24/7 salesperson. Here's the real reason 95% of people never make a dollar with AI. They're waiting to feel ready. They want the perfect niche, the perfect system, the perfect moment. But readiness is a lie your brain tells you to avoid the discomfort of being a beginner in public. The people making money right now, they started embarrassingly small. They course-corrected fast, they didn't wait to feel confident, they got confident by doing. Action creates clarity, waiting creates doubt. Pick one boring niche, local business, single industry. Write it down right now. Open ChatGPT and type "Write 5 Instagram captions for your niche business" in a friendly, professional tone. Screenshot the output. DM 3 businesses in that niche, show them the captions, tell them you offer this monthly for $150. You need 1 yes to prove the model. Record a short video of the process. That's your first piece of faceless content. That's your channel starting. That's 4 steps. It fits in a lunch break. There's no reason to wait until tomorrow. Everyone's asking, how do I make money with AI? The better question is, who already has a problem? Who already has a budget? And how can AI help me solve it faster than anyone else? You're not selling AI. You're selling time back to people who are drowning. AI is just your tool. If this made something click for you, drop a emoji in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want the exact prompts I use to land clients in boring niches, follow along. That's the next video.